cannot let Nefarious overuse the Dimensionator. We must lower his defenses.
Did that hurt? Good!
Toads are so unpleasant. Take that, Nefarious!
Yes, run from me!
OD, his defenses are weakening. Where did Nefarious find these?
My ultimate plan come to fruition. It is perfect, flawless, like nothing will stop me.
How many times have we heard that?
Worry around me.
Now, it doesn't matter.
Today will be the last time. Watch your step! You think a crushing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
I mean, yes.
Well, think again! We're going to a dimension where I always win, so you can finally know how it feels.
Aha! That has to be the access console.
Running in line is against the law.
Where did you even come from?
Surrender now, tiny rebel.
What the? Oh, wow. Oh, no.
I am glad to see you have survived the journey. Now die. The Emperor will hear of this.
Not again! At least it was a round trip. Come on!
I am trying to destroy you as fast as I can. Death Ray activated!
There. Now I can finally plug Glitch into this access console.
Gotta hit the flight stabilizer.
You must be so excited for annihilation!
Give me back my robot!
restored the flight stabilizer. How delightful!
No, you're not getting away from me.
Time to change tactics. Deploying amphibious explosives!
Ha! Throw whatever you want. You're not getting away from me. Gotta say bolts. I can't get to the flight stabilizer until I jump on that thing's back.
Your destruction is most definitely assured now.
Bring it! Why don't you let me drive that thing?
A nice swift death is what you need. This is unfortunate.
You okay, Bolts?
You came after me. Thank you.
Yeah, well, we've still got some unfinished business.
Oh! Sacré bleu! Oh! I have sprained my ankle! Ah! But have no fear. My less attractive stunt double will battle in my stead. François?
The weakest of the air! Attacking his partner! Who is super thrusting!
It is a...
Francois seems large.
Why am I surprised that Pierre's running from a fight? It doesn't matter. I'm getting that signal booster. Looks like you're gonna need a new partner, Pierre.
Just because he's been horribly beaten does not mean you will win.
You cannot argue with that.
I will blast you to pieces.
Almost got it.
To avoid hits like that.
security system myself. Except that motion trackers are saying they're inside the house. Room. Ceiling. They always forget to look up. What the heck is that thing?
Location unknown. Life forms unknown. Protocol destroy.
A gift from my dimension to yours. Now I'm gonna reduce it to scrap metal.
How am I supposed to unlock the secrets of a shattered dimension when these things keep scratching my mining site?
Oh dear, we are alarmingly outnumbered here.
You were lucky this time.
No longer detected. Security walls disarmed.
I'll knock it out with my hammer.
Please, be careful.
Oh, you guys.
We must return to the other dimension quickly.
Lightning strike imminent! You will enjoy this!
That is the last of them.
There's gotta be a way back around here. Huh. We are not gonna die, blazing or otherwise.
What is your plan?
That dropship. It's big and heavy.
And full of fuel. It is perilously close to becoming a bomb.
Or, if we crash it into the drill, we could dislodge it and stop the planet from shattering.
Normally I'd say that's against protocol, but this is a pre-post-apocalypse world we live in, so go for it!
Then, brace for impact.
Hello? It is your best friend, Jim. Please do not die, as I deleted my sad noises suite as soon as we became best friends.
Not now,
I wish I had a sad noise to play.
Rivet. Oh, no.
Well, not as bad as it... I know this is gonna sound totally weird, but the Morts used to tell me legends about someone on Torin 4 called the Fixer. If it's broke, the Fixer'll fix it.
Then I suppose we should see if the legends are true.
10 squillion years ago,
Ah!
she ruled as queen of the swamps. Give a fiendish welcome to Sue! She is good queen of our arena! And she is deadly serious about protecting her kingdom!
Wait! Skeletal sand shark? I swear I've had nightmares about these.
Are we going to, dance?
No, we are not.
Come here, Sharpie. There'll be no plank for you to walk here. Your end lies with me. Tiny thing, aren't ya? This is what you get for trying to steal what is ours.
Yours?
It'd be a fool's quest to look for the victor. I shall save ye the trouble. Be out of here. That won't happen. You're not going to scuttle me.
Off my hearties! Our command ship is lost! Destroy it now! Will it be expenses? Are ye sure?
suggest we abandon ship.
Suggestion noted!
The fixer be done for, and so shall ye!
Can't stop now! Not when we're this close to the fixer!
And this I be up to bless ye myself. Your scraggly neck will fester Pierre no more. Finally, a worthy opponent. Your tail will be a fine swab for our necks.
I've been doing this all day! Enough yet?
Finally bringing in the big guns, huh? Oh, that's a lot of big guns.
You will regret that. I do not appreciate resistance, Comrade.
Hey, Juice, you wouldn't happen to know another way to power up the Rubion Forge, would ya?
Thank you.
Dr. Nefarious.
Does this dimension love me or what? My problems deliver themselves right to me.
How many times you beat this guy?
Clearly not enough.
Can I try?
Be my guest.
What are you doing? The crowd's flooding with in anticipation. And the one, the only, Nefarious enters the arena.
Ready, kid? Ready!
Another lap. You think you're so tough? Let's turn up the heat. My most wombats as be as adaptable as they are insufferable. Just go already and let me enjoy my reign.
This is not looking good. I've got it covered. I'm totally fine.
What did you do with the Emperor?
Let the guy. Because I am.
Yep, definitely buying that.
I will not let you or Ratchet or Clank or whoever that is on your Tough crowd. How about a change of scenery? Two against one isn't fair. So this one's on my team.
Nice, Grunthor! Are we on Sasso? Yep, this is where I'm from. Funny story. Wait, maybe I should focus.
Are you just chatting? Fine. Pretend I'm not a threat. I'll show you. Hi, your Emperor. More brilliant and powerful than ever. That's it. I'm gonna send you into the heart of a supernova. Why aren't these buttons labeled?
You went through a lot of trouble just for a taste of power, huh?
I
Just
can't
like you knew
wait to
that.
defeat you and Ratchet in front of this audience of my adoring fans. Enough of this insolence.
My thieves! For your amusement, the biomechanical
get out of this one!
Scuttler charge at 80%!
Ratchet, we need to disable the scuttler fast.
Right. There has to be something around here to use.
Never have to see a bone goon again. I am happy to assist.
Is super creepy.
It has completely ruined percussion instruments for me.
Can't let the bone goon stop the monks. Undead.
The rift is closed. Thank you, wayfarers.
We must proceed to the anomaly.
Gotta go. Stay safe, guys.
Use that crank to pull the cell back toward us.
Little Zircon creates heartwarming and blood-gushing redemption arcs. Welcome back, Skolo. Win, you loser. Win!
are no longer in exile. What has gotten into you lately? I was so used to you being dull.
Come on! We have to fight this thing! Fire at those monitors!
Ribbit, you will never guess!
Quantum? What are...
We've got a plan. Just hold them off a little longer.
Right! Sure!
You really think you stand a chance?
Come! There is a battle to be won!
You've got this, Quantum!
Emperor Nefarious, your campaign of destruction, cruelty, and wanton snobbery is over! How's that?
I have goosebumps. Oh,
You nailed it! Now jump!
this dimension really thinks it will get the best of me. How about I retire their heroes?
It's still working. This is not good. Everyone shoot those monitors!
This is how you get your dimension to respect you. Not effective.
Lacking honesty, imagination, elegance.
This is becoming considerably less amusing.
Keep firing at the monitors.
I will win.
Are you all okay?
Yep, it's just fighting the Nefarious the size of his ego.
We're getting close. Hang in there.
No!
You're looking hurt, Nefarious.
My last nerve. This holds not even a candle against the battles I have won. Countless victories. Your dimension will be another in my trophy case. Just bow! What have you done?
Ratchet!
Ratchet! Harry and the monks think they can help! Get as close to Nefarious as you can! I'll draw fire!
Over here! I can get you into Nefarious's heart! As in the robot heart.
Thank you!
There's the heart. If we destroy it, we can take down his mech entirely.
I think someone is inside of your power suit.
Thanks. True most remote pits of reality to suffer in ways their tiny minds.
It's working!
Why will they not just stop it?
This is why my dimension is hard to take over. It's not because of me.
No! My suit! It's failing!
Keep firing, Ratchet.
Got him. Gary, I could use an exit!
Ratchet! Clank!
We got thrown to the other side of the city. Hold them off as long as you can.
You think you can defeat me? I will bring in all of my armies, all of my followers. You will bow before me!
He's gonna destroy the dimensions. Kit!
You were right. I cannot run away anymore.
I can't let you do this alone.
I will hold back his army. Take him down.
Do not stop! I will hold them back as long as I can!
They all love me! You all love me! I am the destined emperor of this dimension, of every dimension! This is year over. You've never defeated me before, and this time will be no different!
Enough, Nefarious! You're tearing reality apart! If you don't stop...
This endless, uninspiring dimensions are collapsing! How could I?
You're done for, Nefarious! Now everyone can finally see you for what you really are!
Come, my let's show them who I really am!
Hey, kid, I could use a hand! Thanks for the save!
After all this time, just to betray your emperor. T-7416. friend of me. Not even close. Every one of you, come together to fight for your beloved Emperor! They're all gone! Hello? No one?
Nope.
Enough! I will collapse every dimension into nothing!
Overclocking the Dimensionator! Hurry! I can get you up to him!
Empty void!
Say goodbye!
This is the part where you lose.
You really thought you had me? You loathsome... Please, we can win this together!
What do you know about winning?
You two really are a couple of hot shots.
Look who's talking. Ready to fix this, pal?
I would love nothing more.
Hey, I'm sorry for what I said before. You're my friend, and thank you for coming back. Team? Team.
I guess it's time to go home, huh?
Yeah. Our dimension could use a couple heroes right about now.
Well, how would you two feel about making a pit stop on the way?
Where are we headed?
I think you know.
Is that? Us?